Hello everyone, I am Gavin Clarence Solver of BSEC Free A, and today I am going to be teaching you how to install the Arduino IDE. So first, we are going to go to Google, and we are going to search for Arduino IDE. Here we can see the Arduino software, and this is the legit site because it says www.arduino.cc. So we're going to click Arduino software, and here we can see the Arduino IDE, and which is the latest release of Arduino IDE. So we can choose here if we want the Windows version, the Linux version, sorry, or the Mac OS version. So since I have a Windows 11 laptop, we are going to download the Windows 10 version. And I have already downloaded this specific installer. So I'm just going to cancel what I downloaded and open my installer. So first, we can click agree to the terms of service. Now choose installation options, install anyone who uses this computer for multiple users or only for me for a single user. So since I am the only one in user in this computer, I will install only for me. So we can customize also our installation folder to whatever and wherever we want. So we can see also the space required by the Arduino IDE and the space available in our computer. So I'm just going to use the default installation folder and proceed to install the Arduino IDE. Once the Arduino IDE is installing, this is also installing the USB drivers needed to detect the Arduino IDE. Sorry, I mean the Arduino Uno, which is going to be connected to our computer later on to upload our code. Okay, since we have done installing, we're going to and now if we run the IDE, we can now connect our Arduino to the computer. And now the Arduino is recognized in our computer. So we can select our board, which is this Arduino. And to verify functionality, we are going to be opening examples. So it's going to be basics and blink. This button will upload the code to Arduino. So let's click upload. And now we can see here in our Arduino that this LED is blinking. This LED is actually connected to pin 13 of our Arduino. So, sorry for our bonus sample circuit. We are going to assemble this right now. Our sample circuit will be consisting of two LEDs. In this case, red and black. directly connect the ground to here. And two lag switches, which will be our input for our Arduino. So now we can connect this. We are going to connect the 5 volts to this power rail right here and the ground pin to our ground rail right here. We are connecting the switches with the positive supply and the other side to our Arduino. So our inputs will be on pin 2 and pin 3 respectively. And our outputs will be on 4 and 5. So we have connected our simple circuit. We can assign modes. So it's going to be pin mode 2 for our input and pin mode 3 as input. And 4 and 5 as outputs. So for our for loop, we are going to be assigning variables to each of our inputs. So going to be int for an integer, the variable name. We're going to assign input 1, 2. Let's check the number 3. So digital read 3. Don't forget to put a semicolon after each line. So we're going to be putting our first conditional. If input 1 is high, then we're going to be alternating our keys. We're going to be putting a delay of the half a second. And finishing the rest of the code. So that is going to be our first else if statement. We're going to be putting another if statement here. Going to be putting a delay of 500 milliseconds. And that's the second part of our code done. So the rest is just coding the final statement or the else statement as two digital rights to know on both output. So yes, we're going to check if our code has errors. Okay, our code has no errors, so now we can upload and try our code. Okay, so I think we still need our pull down resistors. Okay, so if one is high, it's going to be blinking 78.2, I think, with input 1. Okay, so I'm diagnosing my circuit. Okay, so the connector was bad. Okay, so that's our tutorial done, and I'll see you on the next one.